Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna see the episode 3 of Digital Marketing Masterclass, that is one of the most powerful tools in digital marketing, SEO, also known as search engine optimization. If you want to get your website, blog or online store to show up on Google without paying for ads, this video is for you. So grab a notebook, hit that like button and let's get started. Before that, if you want to watch the full series of Digital Marketing Masterclass, then check out the podcast in the above cards. I will add all the episodes in a proper order. The first thing we are gonna see is what is SEO. SEO is a process of optimizing your website so it appears higher in search engine result like Google or Bing. When someone searches for something related to your business, that is called SEO. For example, if you sell handmade candles, wouldn't it be awesome if your website popped up when someone types in best scented candles online? That's the magic of SEO. There are three main types of SEO you need to know: on-page SEO, off-page SEO and technical SEO. On-page SEO means everything you do on your website. Off-page SEO means everything you do outside your website. Technical SEO means the backend structure of your site that helps search engine understand it better. So let's break each of this down. Now we see about on-page SEO. On-page SEO is all about making sure your content is optimized for both users and search engines. Yes, what you need to focus on is title tags. These are the clickable headlines that show up in search results. Meta description, a short summary that encourages people to click. Headings help organize your content for easy reading. Keywords, these are the words people are searching for. Place them naturally in your title, intro, subheadings and content. Image alt text helps Google understand what your images are about. Internal linking, link to other helpful pages or posts on your own site. The pro tip is use a tool like Post SEO or Rank Math on WordPress to guide your on-page SEO. The next we are gonna see is off-page SEO. Now let's talk about off-page SEO. This is how the rest of the internet views your site. The most important part here is backlinks. When another website links to yours, backlinks are like votes of confidence to Google. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the more trustworthy your site appears. How to get backlinks? Write valuable, shareable content. Reach out to bloggers or website in your niche. Guest posting. Be active in relevant online communities and forums. Avoid shady practices like buying links that can actually hurt your ranking. The last we are gonna see is technical SEO. Technical SEO helps search engines crawl and index your website properly. Think of it like setting up the foundation of your house. Here's what you need to pay attention to. Mobile friendly design. Most users are on their phones. Your site needs to be responsive. Site speed minus slow website equal to high bounce rate. Use tools like Google Page Speed Insights. Sitemap and robots.txt helps Google understand your site's structure. Secure URLs. HTTPS. A secure site builds trust and is a ranking factor. Core Web Vitals. Metrics that measures loading speed, interactivity and visual stability. If you are using WordPress, many of these are handled with plugins and good themes, but always test your site regularly. Now we are gonna see keyword research basics. Before creating content, you need to know what people are searching for. That's where keyword research comes in. Tools you can use is Google Keyword Planner, free with a Google Ads account. Uber Suggest, simple and beginner friendly. Answer the Public, great for finding long tail questions. Look for keywords with high search volume, low to medium competition, high intent, people ready to buy or take action, etc. Example, instead of targeting candles, go for best lavender candles for sleep. More specific and easier to rank for. And that's your beginner's guide to SEO. It might seem overwhelming at first, but trust me, if you apply this basics consistently, you will start seeing the results. SEO is a long-term game, but it's worth it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of this digital marketing masterclass. Let me know in the comments, have you tried SEO before? What's your biggest challenge? Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.